Here I have HUAWEI P9 Lite 2017 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Use the apps icon here, let's find and select the settings. Then from the following list you need to find and select here the security and privacy, tap fingerprint ID and choose fingerprint management. Before you add the fingerprint you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. Let me use pattern. Let's draw the unlock pattern and let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap done and now you can add your fingerprint. So all you need to do is just tap new fingerprint and let's enroll the fingerprint. Here we've got the fingerprint sensor. Let's start tapping the sensor. You need to do it a few times just to save the whole finger. And that's it, you just successfully enrolled your fingerprint. Tap OK. And now you can lock your device by pressing power key. To unlock your phone you can use your pattern and you can of course also use your fingerprint. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.